Hello, good morning. Today is Sunday, and as usual, I begin making some videos. So today we try to see a video about stocks that defy gravity. Now, what does this mean? There are some stocks you can see 1 year, 2 years going up in almost a straight line, and in general these kind of stocks that has nothing to do with their industry or sector or the market, you see all the market is going down and this stock is going up. So, and you ask yourself, why is this stock alone? That's, for me, I call this kind of stocks solo stocks. It means they are alone. This is that some people discovered this stock when it was $2, $3, and each month, each 2 months, 6 months, people still discovered, and it's a secret, so they buy slowly. This is the reason. Because if someone comes and buy too much, you see a spike, a green candlestick. Now, when there is a green candlestick, it's over. The stock will be volatile, and it will be like those that I showed before, scams, like pump and dump stocks. Okay? Because they are manipulated. But the stock that I am speaking about is a stock that it is not manipulated. It's just some people are buying. Either the company, it means their employees, they are buying regularly, and other people who are looking for this kind of stocks, they discover them when they are very cheap, $2, $3, $4, but they don't stop at this time. They continue $2, $3, 17, 18, 20, 30, 100, and it seems that no one knows about them. Why is that? It's because in the stock market they don't show you anything that's going up. They show you what they want you to know that's going up. Okay? When they begin to buy, mutual funds or hedge funds or anyone in the market, they keep it a secret. After a few months or 6 months or 1 year, when they finish, it's all over and they have a good profit, they begin to advertise. How do they advertise? They advertise by using analysts. Okay? The media, TV shows, famous, let's say famous traders. They hire them, they give them some money, say, okay, you are famous, we need you, talk about this company that is good. Okay? The other guys, it's too much money. It's not, they give him $10,000 or $50,000 to speak about this. Okay, people, they can give them millions of dollars especially when someone is very famous, and the people, the traders and investors, they are always victims of this kind of thing. They trust. How can you trust someone like in Wall Street telling you buy this or sell this? How? But people, they do. This is the problem. This is the problem in it's not just in USA. It's the problem in any market in the world. People, I don't say they say lies, but they show you the price, and they give you fundamentals. If they say, for example, a stock that goes from $10 to $100, you cannot say no, this stock has not gone from 10 to 100 because they have a proof. Okay, it's the price. But what is not correct is that the people They are right now, they will be selling. Okay? And they ask you to buy. This is the problem. This is, I don't say a lie, but you know, it's kind of marketing. And when the people market something, they don't tell you their hidden agenda. It means they don't tell you what they plan. Because they plan to sell, but they ask you to make a plan to buy. And buy heavily, because they say the company is excellent. It goes from 10 to 100 in 1 year, and it's the best. They have the best managers in the world. Okay? And the company has crushed all the competition. It has new products. These things that always you see on online and in TV shows, in programs, in wherever you go, all over the world. It's not just in America, but all over the world they use the same thing. Now, who are the victims? The victims are you find traders, investors, who have some money but they don't know how to invest. Instead of searching by themselves what is the good thing or good companies for them, they rely on the Wall Street gurus to say to them what to buy and what to sell. For example, if you go to yahoo.com, Yahoo Finance, you bring a company, any company, you see analysts from some brokers, very famous brokers in America, and they say, it's a buy, it's a buy, it's a buy, it's a sell. Okay? They ask you, some people, they think that it is true, that you should buy, but some people, I don't say that people are stupid. No, the people, investors and traders, they are not stupid. But they trust wolves. That's why we say wolves of Wall Street. They trust wolves in Wall Street. In Wall Street, it's all about money. When there is money, they go to grab it. From you, from another person, from wherever, and they say to you wherever, and they take wherever in the market. Okay? Now, this kind of stocks that I saw, that I told you about, when you search, you don't know the criteria that you search for. That's why you don't find them. And then after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you see to yourself, how this stock, it's $3, now it is $50, and I haven't seen it. I always search, I don't find it. Why? Because the criteria of searching these kind of stocks, you don't know them. You don't know how to search. Okay? But some people have some criteria and they are searching for this kind of stocks. Okay? That's why they find this kind of stocks and they buy them early. That's some investors, they make too much money. Okay? They are mistaken sometimes, which is true, but sometimes when they are right, they stay with the stock. Okay? Now, for us like swing traders, we don't want to risk that much. We don't want to stay years. Okay? Never. Swing trader never stays years. Few days, few weeks, few months. And then, whenever there is like a major correction or something, you get out early. Okay? You don't stay in order to lose your profits. Okay? Because you stay few days, few weeks, few months. If the stock, you think that it will have like a problem, always a stop loss is always near the price. Okay? Near the price. You shouldn't take it so down, like $5, $6, $7, $10 down. Because if you get, for example, a stock, you put it at $3 and now you are at $6, no one knows what is the correction will be. It can be 10%, 5%, 50%. Yeah, it can go to 50% and go up again. So because you don't know. So since you don't know, you should exit whenever there is a big thing. Okay, with a stop loss. Always use stop loss. Never, never, never let this down. Okay, so I will make another video showing you some stocks that you might see someday, and you will see that this kind of stocks, most of the time, they have low volume. low volume, it means not a lot of people are trading this kind of stocks. Okay, since there are a few people trading these stocks, so most of the time these stocks they are not known by the public. Excuse me. Now, what does it mean known by the public? It's like when you see a stock is trading very, very low, like 50,000 shares, the volume, or 50,000, 20,000, 100,000. You see that the volume is so low. And in one day, you see a very large spike. This kind of stocks is a pump and dump stocks, because some promoters ask people to buy this stock at that day. That's why you see a very long spike. Okay, and then you see second one very big, and then they go down, and it means it will be a mess. And you, when you go to trade that kind of stocks, if you are not professional, you can make money, but you can lose too much money. Okay, because sometimes they short it, sometimes they do a lot of stuff, so a lot of people come. Almost are beginners and few are professional. Now the professional, they know that the beginners, they don't know a lot of things, so they try to rip off all the money that it is there in this stock, because they bring the people, the traders. The traders, how can for example, the stock was 50,000 and the next day it is 2 million or 3 million volume. How? From where this kind of volume comes? It comes from the beginners who don't know. They ask them, and if you go online, you find this newsletter. They give you only one stock, and they ask you buy it in one day. Okay? And this kind of stocks is daily. Sometimes it's weekly. And they try to prepare all these people, 1,000 people, 2,000 people that are in the newsletter, and they send them one stock. That's why these kind of stocks are manipulated. That's why I told you always be careful. Don't trade penny stocks. There are some other kind of penny stocks that are not pump and dump. Those are good ones. I have made videos about them. What's the difference between pump and dump stocks and good stocks? There is a big difference. Okay. Now, please, if you have any question about this, I will make another video showing you some stocks like this. And if you have any questions, just ask. Thank you very much.